Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You must act decisively. Identify whether the snake is coiling head first or tail first and work toward the weakest loop. Use your thumbs on the inner curve to pry open the coil while your other fingers stabilize. This reduces pressure and lets you slide out. Once you create a gap, push your torso outward and angle your shoulders toward the opening so the snake can't tighten. Make sure to move in controlled bursts. Sharp pulls invite stronger constriction, so you preserve breath and leverage as you escape. Once you've reduced one coil, focus on maintaining airflow. Keep your chin up and expand your chest to force small, steady breaths every 5 to 10 seconds so you don't panic. Use body mechanics. Lock your elbows and press your hips away from the snake to create leverage while you either roll toward the snake's head or toward its tail, whichever loosens fastest. If others are present, instruct them to pry multiple coil points simultaneously. Coordinated pulls prevent the snake from retightening and speed your release. As you finish extraction, free limbs in sequence, arms first, then torso, then legs, so the snake can't recoil around a smaller exposed area. Once completely free, assess for puncture wounds, note the time of contact, and get emergency medical aid immediately. Bite management and possible envenomation require prompt care. If the snake still poses a recoil risk, only trained rescuers should use cutting tools or dislocating techniques. Improvised cuts can worsen injuries, so make sure professionals handle final neutralization and transport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.